G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at potentially your new dream home site, 52 to 56 Ocean Outlook in the popular Bayside estate of Turtle Cove at River Heads. This fantastic block has already been benched and retained for your proposed house, and down the bottom here, tons of space to put a big shed. But you really do need to take to the air to appreciate where we are. Let's go up and take a look around. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in the popular Bayside estate of Turtle Cove at River Heads. Keen anglers will note that the River Heads boat ramp and pontoon are only minutes away, which are the gateway to access the Great Sandy Straits, K'gari, Fraser Island, and the Mary and Susan Rivers, which are a boating, fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. Once your new dream home is complete, you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with having local convenience stores and cafes nearby, plus Hervey Bay's essential amenities just a short drive away, including the airport, shopping centres, hospitals, the golf course, the beautiful esplanade, cafes, restaurants and the beach. 52 to 56 Ocean Outlook River Heads is an elevated 3,885 square metre allotment that is just under an acre and has already been benched and retained to suit a proposed house site along with a large shed site below. This great block is serviced by town water, power, and you've got high-speed NBN at the curb. And this great block would certainly benefit from a high-set or two-storey home to capture those 360-degree panoramic views. Large vacant lots offering panoramic views like that are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.